On the screen, you can see 4 sentences. Can you tell me which are the subjects of those sentences? Yes, I have marked it with a different color. I, we, they, some children. How many number is there in those subjects? We, of course, many are there. They also means many people are there. Some children, many. What about I? Yes, in the last video I told you, even though I is a singular in number, in present tense we use I as a plural subject. Okay? So we have 4 plural subjects on the screen. The case of you, pronoun you is also like that. That is also used as a plural subject in present tense. Okay? So we have these plural subjects and their lackings are discussed here. I like flowers. We like holidays. They like chemistry. Some children like to celebrate birthdays. The verb. Can you pick out the verb in these sentences? Yes, the underlined word like. All the sentences are framed with like as the main verb. Okay. So, since we have learnt that equation, it's again repeated in the top. See, the verb like can be the present tense plural form like can be divided using do. Do plus the base form like again. The base form and the plural form is the same. Okay, for all the verbs in English language, base form and the plural form is the same. So there is a equation like that. So the hiding auxiliary, we can say the hiding auxiliary in the verb like, the plural verb form, present tense verb form like, the hiding auxiliary is do. Okay? It's not clearly seen, but since we have an equation like that, you should learn the hiding auxiliary, the hidden auxiliary. Auxiliary means helping verb. In that verb is do. So, like can be divided into do plus like. So, why do we discuss all this? All these sentences are positive sentences. The idea conveyed is a positive idea. And the other word for positive sentences is affirmative sentence. Okay. So, let's see how it is made into negative sentence. We are negating the idea. Okay. So, that is called as negative sentences. Negative sentences, how it is made? See it. Yeah, with the help of the equation, we can make the negative sentences. We have added a word not into it, and the contracted form of not is int. So it is I don't like flowers, we don't like holidays, they don't like chemistry. Some children don't like to celebrate birthdays. Okay. Now, let's see some sentences with a singular subject. Okay. Again, positive sentences with singular subjects. Singular means one in number. Here we have she, he, a rabbit, this child. Singular subject. Okay, there is a slight difference in the verb form. Instead of like, what is used? Likes. English language, we have two forms of verb in the present tense. One is the singular form, another one is the plural form. So, like is the plural form, likes is the singular form, and likes goes with the singular subjects. Okay, so that is why there is a slight change in the form of the verb. It has become likes. One s is added. Keep in mind that clue, s means singular. So sometimes in some verbs it may be s or es or ies, like goes. We have some verbs with es. Go, the singular form of go is goes. Let's see how the negative is made. You have to remember this formula. Likes is equal to does plus like. The hiding auxiliary here is does. Since there is an s in the verb, you can guess the hiding auxiliary is does. So we can split that likes into does plus like. Like is the base form or the plural form. So the negative sentences are made in this way. Okay, the contracted form of does not is doesn't. So we have some examples here. She likes to work. The negative sentence, she doesn't like to work. See the difference? We don't use s again in the verb form. Instead of that s, we have placed does. Alright? He doesn't like to play. Slight changes in the conversion, but it's very important for grammatic correctness. Okay? A rabbit doesn't like to eat carrots. This child doesn't like to have chocolate cupcakes. Here it's just this child doesn't like chocolate cupcakes. I hope you understood the way of changing a positive into negative sentences. We'll come up with more examples in another video with question formation. Alright? Thank you.